Benjamin.
Oh my god! Alright, yo, how's it going, guys? It's Luke, and today I'm gonna be doing a ASMR thing for my keyboard. The switches are red switches, MX Cherry Red, and the sounds aren't actually from my keyboard. It's this app called Mech Vibes. If you guys want to download it, link will be down in the description. And to get more videos like this, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, one more thing, actually, I did include my keyboard cam just so you guys can see everything. But yeah, enjoy the video.
I messed that up. You're so lucky you're crouching. Metro, huh? I just wanted the creative thing. Oh my god. Gotta do it again, man. Oh, I just messed my first set it up. Oh, am I messing up this badly? Oh no. Oh my god, I hit you for like 120. Oh, you actually suck hot balls. Oh my god. Click skin needs to give me some power, bro, so I'm losing right now. Oh my god. God, I'm box fighting you right now. I forgot your 10th thing. Looks so bad. Confirm it or release it. I've been using it for 6 months. Oh, like, can you get off of me, please? Oh my god. I'm done. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Benjamin. Oh my god. Zimbabwe! Get me out of here, bro. I was trying to cancel my reload.
Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what switches I should do next. And yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, if this video gets 20 likes, I'll do another one of them. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.